Let's do our measurement, guys. Let's see if I can do this. Good luck. I'm terrible in mathematics. So, what is that? 1.9. Is that centimeter? Millimeter? Or inches? Whatever. So we have here 1.92 millimeters. So my headboard will be somewhere like here, 1.1 millimeter. I hope I'm right. Millimeters, centimeters, inches, whatever that is. Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. I just woke up, guys, and I'm having my tea. This is my master bedroom, guys, and my video today is related to my master bedroom. So now I renovated my bedroom on my own, guys. Like I painted, this one before was pink, light pink, and yeah, and these curtains here wasn't here before. Yeah, and yeah, so this is all new, guys. I bought a new lampshade. I also changed the chandelier on the ceiling. The reason why we're here, guys, because I'm going to make a DIY tufted headboard. This is a king size bed, guys. This is really big for two of us here, and to be able to reach the other person, the age you need to crawl. Yes, this is massive. I'm just gonna raise higher my headboard, guys, until here. Yeah, somewhere here. And because this is a good quality wood, I'm not going to change this. I'm gonna leave this headboard here. What I'm gonna do is to slip, it's like a slip cover headboard that is just a plywood to slip through here, and then I'm gonna put another wood here to sit on this wooden headboard. So now let's do our measurement, guys. Let's see if I can do this. Good luck. I'm terrible in mathematics. So what is that? 1.9. Is that centimeter? Millimeter? Or inches? Whatever. So we have here 1.92 millimeters. So that is actually 192 centimeters. So then the height, so my headboard will be somewhere like here, 1.1 millimeter. I hope I'm right. Millimeter, centimeter, inches, whatever that is. So now I have some wood already ready there, guys. So I'm going to show you all the materials that we needed to do my tufted headboard. So these are the materials that I need. I have here tape measure, hammer, scissor, step gun, glue gun, wood glue, spray adhesive, wood. I also have here some crystals for my buttons, and foam, an inch and a half thickness. I got this from Spotlight, and a plywood, a wadding, and a fabric. I lay my plywood on the top of the table, and I decided to do this in my kitchen, guys, because I have a big space here, not outside because it's pretty cold and chilly and windy, while in my kitchen is warm. After I marked the wood, I took it outside for cutting. I decided to do the same, guys. To cut the wood, make sure you wear glasses to protect your eyes. After I cut the wood, the next step is to glue the wood on the plywood. This is to stop the wood moving around when you screw it into the plywood. After I screw all the wood around, now it's time to put the foam on. To make sure that the foam stays in place, I use this spray adhesive both sides. I already marked the foam where I'm going to make a hole. Using my scissor, I make a hole where I already marked my foam before I glue into my plywood. Now I've done the holes, it's time to put the wadding on top of it. Now using my staple gun, I'm gonna staple the wadding under my wood. Make sure it's firm and tight. And after that, using a pencil, follow the holes. You can actually see through the wadding where the holes are. You're just gonna use your pencil and push through into it. This will make it easier for you when you put your fabric on top of it. I use this very smooth fabric, a light gray fabric. This is perfect for tufted headboard. Now you're just gonna find the holes under the fabric and make sure you pull before you staple the fabric into the wood under the foam. Make sure you hit your staple gun through the foam into the wood. reflections from spotlight, and this will make my headboard look perfect and professionally done. Finally done. This is before, and this is what it looks like now. I also made an ottoman to match my headboard. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy my video. Watch out for my next video, guys. Another DIY videos. Bye bye.